People, let's go ahead and do miscellaneous provision now. Miscellaneous provision में anti-profiteering and national anti-profiteering का one chart is there, right everyone? Although not a very important topic from exam point of view, but miscellaneous provision, if you go ahead and see in your chapter of miscellaneous provision, this chart becomes A graded. Are we clear everyone? In a C graded chapter, A graded topic. Let's go ahead and understand quickly anti-profiteering and national anti-profiteering authority. See, people are doing profiteering. For profiteering, government is going ahead and getting anti-profiteering rules. And if people are going ahead and doing profiteering, there is a authority known as National Anti-Profiteering Authority who will catch you and they will go ahead and penalize you. Are we clear? Sir, what do you mean by profiteering? Let's understand profiteering. Listen to me very carefully. Very interesting. You tell me. Sir, GST rate on food item earlier when GST came was 18%. So, you went to uncle to have dosa, masala dosa. Uncle told 20 rupees plus he went ahead and charged you 18%. He charged 25 rupees for the dosa. He was making how much profit? 1 rupee 40 paisa. GST rate reduced by, if GST rate was increased by the government, will he increase the GST immediately and the rate of dosa immediately? Yes. Sir, GST rate increased by the government, burden on you. GST rate reduced by the government, benefit also should be going to you. If it doesn't go ahead, see over here, rate reduced by from 18 to 5%, from 18 it is reduced to 5. So it means GST is 1 rupee. Still he is selling at 25 only. Uncle, why are you still selling at 25 rupees? You are making 4 rupees profit now, means you are making 2.60 rupees profit, which should have come to my pocket. If GST would have gone up, you would have taken from my pocket. GST has come down, you should give it to my pocket. If you don't give it to my pocket, you are doing profiteering, making extra profit because of GST rate coming down is profiteering. You are going ahead and doing profiteering, and National Anti-Profiteering Authority ko I will complain. You cry, go and complain. They will go ahead and catch hold of him, cancel his registration, impose penalty. Sir, one more thing you tell me. Everyone listen. Earlier, free flow of credit was not there. So you never used to get the credit. Whenever you never used to get the credit, cost of the goods used to go up. Now, because of coming of GST, free flow of credit is there. Cost of goods should come down for you. Yes or no? And the cost of goods is coming down because of what? GST. Because of the coming of GST, if cost of goods is coming down, your selling price also should come down. People are not reducing their selling price. Cost is coming down. Cost is going up, you would have hit it on the head of the buyer, consumer. Cost is coming down because of GST. The benefit also should be given to consumer. If you don't give, you are doing profiteering. See, earlier the credit was GST introduced in 2017, leading to what? Free flow of credit, reduction in cost. Sir, credit was 2 rupees, cost was 20, selling price was 25, profit you are making 5 rupees. With the coming of GST, credit has increased now. Free flow of credit is there. Because of that, your cost has come down, but you are still selling at the same price. Means you are trying to do profiteering. Excess profit due to reduction in tax. When government has reduced the tax, you should also reduce your selling price and pass on the burden. Sir, benefit of ITC, if commensurate benefit, commensurate means here you made 2 rupees, no? You told, okay, fine, no one will come to know. One I'll keep, one I'll give to customer. Equal benefit has to be passed on to the consumer. How much GST rate came down? Whatever was the benefit, total benefit has to be passed on to the consumer. Commensurate benefit shall be passed on to the consumer. If you don't pass, you are guilty of profiteering, national anti-profiteering to deal against such suppliers. Profiteering means to make unfair profits illegally. Anti-profiteering measures are introduced in GST to prevent suppliers from profiteering so that people don't do profiteering. Did you understand everyone? GST rate came down, benefits should be passed on to consumer. People don't go ahead and pass on the benefit, keep their benefit in their, keep the benefit of the consumer in their pocket. That is known as profiteering. GST came, cost came down. Sir, because ITC you were getting more, so your cost came down, supplier ka selling price also should come down, but you did not reduce the selling price, you made extra profit, and that is known as profiteering. You know what happened? This is supposingly over here Rakesh, and Rakesh started crying, sir, my masala dosa, he did not reduce the price. What will Rakesh do, everyone? Rakesh will go ahead and file an application with evidence. Sir, you see, Earlier, when GST rate was 18%, masala dosa 25. Now GST rate is 5%, masala dosa 25. It means this shopkeeper is doing profiteering. Are we clear, everyone? So complaint for profiteering can be filed by consumer, might be an organization, might be any supplier who is there, might be a trader who is there, a supplier who is there who is going ahead and supplying, his supplier is doing profiteering, or might be a trader or retailer. Anyone can go ahead and file a complaint, whoever is hurt. Whoever is telling, sir, I am not getting the profit which I should have gone, means he is doing profiteering, sir. The benefit should have come to me. Are we clear? So in that scenario, whoever is crying, first we'll go ahead and file an application. Remember one thing, there is one is standing committee and one is state level screening committee. One is standing committee, one is state level screening committee. If your problem which is there is a state ka problem, then first you have to go to state level screening committee. If your problem is a national problem, for an example, McDonald's, across India they have the restaurant, that's a national impact ka problem. In that scenario, see, if complaint involves an issue of national nature, all India impact, then directly go to the standing committee. But sir, if it's a complaint of local nature, hey, this uncle over here, shopkeeper, he is doing profiteering. Is it a national impact ka problem? No. So in that scenario, state level screening committee you should go to. Everyone listen, you should go to standing committee if it is of national impact, means across India this complaint is going to have a benefit to consumers. In that scenario, go to state standing committee. Otherwise you should go to state level screening committee. Everyone, by chance I directly went over here, then they will not throw your application. They will send the application to whom? Screening committee. They will screen the application. Listen, if it comes from here, also they will screen and send it over here. If it comes over here, then it will directly go here. But if it comes over here and it is relating to an application which is relating to state level, local nature, then sir, they will send it over here, they will screen and it will come back over here. Are we clear, everyone? Everyone over here, you should go ahead and file an application. If complaints involves issue relating to national or all India impact, directly with the standing committee. Otherwise your complaint should go to the state level screening committee. Baba, they will go ahead, state level screening committee will go ahead and ensure that sir, supplier has contravened the provision of 171. Basically, they will first ensure, before sending it to the National Anti-Profiteering Authority, first they will ensure whether actually there is a profiteering which is happening or not. Then they will go ahead, screen and forward the application to whom? With recommendation for further action. Within 2 months plus 1 month extension can be given. Means state level screening committee, within how much time they have to go ahead and do it? Screening should be done by within how much? 2 months plus 1 month extension can be given. Are we clear? And the screening will be done and the case will come over here. Or might be all India level ka complaints directly comes to where? State standing committee. Are we clear, everyone? It means it will come to the standing committee only if state level ka first local nature ka complaint, it will first go to whom? State level screening committee, and they will screen and give it over here. National impact complaint will come directly to standing committee. Now standing committee, after that review and for the direct application, they will again screen it further. They will go ahead and again ensure whether documents are there, evidence is there, accuracy of the evidence, etc. See, so they will go ahead and examine the accuracy and adequacy of the evidence provided in the application. Okay, evidences, let me go ahead and check them properly to determine if there is a prima facie evidence to support the claim of profiteering, whether actually profiteering is happening or not happening. They will first go ahead and check. We had some issue, we are starting again. Everyone over here. Now, so what happened? Application goes over here and comes over here, or application directly comes over here. What will the standing committee do, everyone? Standing committee will go ahead and examine the accuracy and adequacy with accurate. Is it accurate or not? Is it adequate or not? Enough or not? They will go ahead and check. And if there is a prima facie evidence to support the claim of profiteering, this guy is claiming that there is a profiting, then within 2 months plus 1 month extension, they will check. Who will check? Standing committee will check and send it to whom? The Director General of Anti-Profiteering. Can I go ahead, everyone? The next one over here. Sir, now Director General of Anti-Profiteering ke paas case will come. Now Director General, before initiation of the proceeding, will issue a notice to the interested party. Hey, dosa seller, you come here. Hey, you dosa eater, you come here. Both of them he will call. He will investigate and collect evidence of the profiteering. Now complete the investigation within 6 months plus 3 month extension. Upon completion, they will furnish their furnish National Anti-Profiteering Authority को, they will give a report of its finding with relevant record. Now National Anti-Profiteering Authority के पास finally report has come. Standing Committee, then DGAP, and then National Anti-Profiteering Authority. Local nature, then Screening Committee, Standing Committee, local nature, then state level Screening Committee, then Standing Committee, then DGAP, and then National Anti-Profiteering Authority. Everyone over here. National Anti-Profiteering Authority may, they are telling rule number 134, quorum is minimum how many number? 3 people. 3 people has to come for a meeting to be held, basically for decision, etc. They will have people who are there. 3 people is the minimum number of member. They will give opportunity of being heard. Hey, dosa seller, you come here. Hey, you eater, you come here. Then it may seek clarification from DGAP on the report submitted. DGAP gave the report, no? So from DGAP it can ask clarifications also. Then if National Anti-Profiteering Authority determines a registered person has done profiteering, then it will pass an order within how much time? 6 months. Now when they pass an order, exam question, what can the National Anti-Profiteering Authority do when it is passing an order? See, they will go ahead and tell reduction in price. They will direct you to, hey, reduce your dosa price. Can we go ahead? Then they will go ahead and return to recipient with interest. Hey, you made 2 rupees extra profit. No, that 2 rupees you return along with interest. He is telling, sir, thousands of people ate dosa. I don't know who and all ate, whom I should go ahead and return. No problem. Consumer Welfare Fund. Put it in the Consumer Welfare Fund. We'll use for the benefit of the consumer. Everyone here, return to the recipient with interest at the rate of 18%. Amount equivalent to benefit not passed on. Interest from the date of collection till the date of return, because the day you collected, it was not yours. Amount collected representing as tax. Same way, amount collected which was not yours only. It was never your profit. Please pay it immediately. If you not pay, date of collection till the date of return. If eligible person does not claim or not identifiable, how will you identify? 6 months I made profiteering. How will I know who are the people who are there? Then they are telling deposit 50% in Central Consumer Welfare Fund, 50% in State Consumer Welfare Fund with interest from the date of collection till the date of payment. Government is selling, we will take care. Next, they can also impose 10% of the amount profiteer ka penalty. No penalty if amount is deposited within 30 days of order. They can also cancel your registration. For more knowledge, you can visit www.naa.gov.in. You will be able to find all these orders, etc. Sir, rule number 135 says non-compliance with the order immediately to attract recovery proceedings. Are we clear? They can also start recovery if you don't go ahead and make the payments, etc. Everyone over here, National Anti-Profiteering Authority and DGAP can exercise the power to summon any person. Hey, 5 dosa eaters were there. Hey, all of you come. He can call anyone. They can go ahead and call anyone. Everyone over here. Sir, can he go ahead and send the case back to him saying, hey, do that investigation properly? Yes. Further investigation or inquiry in the existing investigation, might be any further inquiry is required. If on receipt of the report of DGAP, National Anti-Profiteering Authority is of the opinion that further inquiry or investigation is required, then it may record reason and refer the matter back to DGAP for further inquiry or investigation. It can send it for further inquiry. New investigation, sir, DGAP went ahead and saw whether masala dosa, what was it? This was masala dosa. Who was eating? Rakesh. Okay, Rakesh is sitting over here. Now listen. Now Anti-Profiteering Authority has a doubt that masala dosa means in idli also he is doing profiteering. In other items also he is doing profiteering. Yes or no? So they will go ahead and tell new investigation or inquiry can be ordered by the National Anti-Profiteering Authority. They say if on receipt of report of DGAP, Anti-Profiteering Authority has reason to believe that there is contravention of provision of section number 171 with respect to other goods, services or both, because that's the nature of a person if he is doing cheating. One thing he is doing means other things also I think he is doing. Let me go ahead and catch him. So he will tell DGAP, hey DGAP, this item he is selling mobile phone also, no, check to. Everyone, if it may direct DGAP to investigate or inquiry with respect to other goods, services or both. Your exam question, can the case be referred back for further investigation? Yes. Can the case be referred back for new investigation? Yes. Now, the amendment in the chapter, government had gone ahead and told Anti-Profiteering Authority, National Anti-Profiteering Authority will be there only for 4 years. 4 years of GST already over. People are still doing profiteering. They are not able to rectify people. People will keep doing only. So 4 years now made 5 years. They are telling the tenure of the Anti-Profiteering Authority, National Anti-Profiteering Authority, this National Anti-Profiteering Authority ka tenure was how much? Shall be 4 years earlier was there. Amendment for your November 20 exam, 5 years from the date chairman enters his office. The chairman sat in the office on 30th November when the chairman assumed office. From that day, National Anti-Profiteering Authority came into existence. How many years it was? 4 years. Amendment for your November 22 exam. Now it is made 5 years. In your exam, this is actually your next miscellaneous topic is a C graded topic, but 3 to 4 marks, in my opinion, they will go ahead and ask. And in your miscellaneous topic, C graded topic, A graded topic is your anti-profiteering authority. Right, everyone? I'll go ahead and close all my discussions over here. Take care, everyone. Okay, no, 1 minute. Done. We are done with your chart of anti-profiteering and national anti-profiteering over here. Done, Baba. I'll close my discussion over here.